In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Donchian MA Bands in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you've opened a chart for the market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset. Having a clean chart open will help you clearly see the indicator once we add it. Now, look toward the top of your TradingView chart. You'll see a menu bar with different options like timeframes, chart types, and so on. What you want to click on is the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators and often has a small icon next to it. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Once that window is open, you'll notice a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. Now type in Donchian MA Bands. Make sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can find the exact script or indicator you're looking for. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter results and show you indicators that match what you entered. When you see Donchian MA Bands appear in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see bands drawn around your price action along with a moving average component. These Donchian MA bands can help you visualize recent highs and lows, as well as the overall trend direction, which can be very useful for breakout or trend following strategies. If you hover over the indicator's name at the top of the chart, you can open its settings. From there, you can adjust things like the look back period, line colors, and thickness so it matches your personal trading style and chart theme. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, feel free to use the affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to more indicators per chart, more alerts, and a smoother workflow overall, which is especially helpful when you're working with tools like Donchian MA Bands. And that's it. You've successfully added Donchian MA Bands to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start incorporating them into your analysis.